Welcome to question number 14. Who was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? This question has been asked by children and the non-Muslims as well as the Muslim. I would like to present 9 points for you. Number 1. In brief, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in a noble tribe of Makkah in Saudi Arabia in year 570 AD. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died in Medina in 10th Hijri at the age of 63 years old. His ancestry goes back to Prophet Ismail alayhi salam, son of Ibrahim alayhi salam. His father of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abdullah, died before the birth of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His mother, Amina, died when Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was only 6 years old. He did not attend a formal school since he was raised first by a nurse, as it was the custom and the culture in those days. And then he was raised by his grandfather and his uncle. As a young man, he was known as a righteous person who used to meditate in a cave. At the age of 40, he was given the prophethood when the angel Jibreel, or Gabriel as they say in English, appeared in the cave. Subsequently, the revelation came over 23 years and were compiled in the form of a book called the Qur'an, which Muslims consider the final word and the last word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Lastly, Qur'an has been preserved, unchanged in its original form, and confirms the truth as given in Torah, Zabur, and the Gospel. Finally, in the Quran, Allah has promised to maintain the originality of the Quran. Thank you.